Hi everyone, today is Sunday, and again I want to show to you Perimeter Road and around Perimeter Road also. We can check what new today, because maybe already 3 weeks I'm not walking here. I park near Boomerang Hotel. This is lobby Boomerang Hotel, and take a look. This is new house for apartment. I think soon we already will, maybe next year, start of new year. After new year, maybe after holiday we finish. Now don't have tourists, that's why we not need to rush. Sarah Cleaners here. You can see La Grande Residence. We will walk to La Grande Residence also. We can start from the bars. We can walk through the bars. It's first bar. Two bars. Rio, like this. I always forgot name of these bars. Yes, it's two Nifty and Rio, two bars in Perimeter Road. I always walk here and show to you. This is Sari store. Gcash, you can cash in, cash out also. Garfield's old pub, restaurant. Here also prepare for Christmas, many decoration. You see very good decoration here. That's why they will open soon. Luna Cabra. Chupacabra. Luna Cabra. Okay. Luna Cabra. Merry Christmas already. Dr. A. Condo Rentals also. You can call to this number. It's a bar Grey Fox. And here Bad Delicious bar. Open now. Open because Sunday now 4:51. This bar is Black Satin Bar. What is this? Tuesday, 27 November. Drink special. 500 only. And you'll see this eatery like what is before. I know here karaoke also, and I don't know, restaurant, small restaurant. Excuse me, do you know, before here karaoke here, they remove, yes? No, I move camera, don't worry, I just talk. Before here karaoke, they remove already. This one, just close. Only night time. Okay, thank you. No, I not filming you, I just filming here, don't worry. Okay, thank you. Yeah, this is bar, it's all Black Satin Bar. This bar. I remember they remove something here because I take video here and they fix something. Lagoon Pool Villas. I don't know. Okay, I will walk, of course. I will walk. This candy bar. Outside always empty. Don't have people outside. Sexy Monday, they said. Sexy Monday starting 6 p.m. But now not 6 p.m. Now soon 5 p.m. Night Moves Bar. Oh, here already priced tricycle parking here. Before they said not allowed park, and they park another side of the road. After they snatch my bag, they removed tricycle drivers and installed a CCTV camera. Take a look, this is two CCTV camera. Margarita Station. 24 hours Margarita Station. Hi. Hi, take a look, Oli. Thank you. Security guard, I know already 12 years, this guy. He worked before in Tiger Hotel. We can check what is Margarita Station. I just a little bit walk here. Billiard. I don't have... two persons only play in billiard. Billiard. Maybe Georgi today not play here. Not so many people here. But good, comfortable, so big space. Also have a swimming pool here. Take a look. Gas station. So, small, take a look. No, I think it's not original. Not original maybe. Old things.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Maganda.
Here have a gray hotel. Hotel motel. Gray. Joe's Cafe. Coco Travel also have. Massage also. And for Maxim, this is a look. Maxim, how look Maxim? It's Maxim the motorcycle, yes? My wife always use Maxim. Very good, price is very good.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Shaira always use Maxim. If she need some, of course. Usually we use car, but if, for example, if I say to her, meet, for example, in Balibago, and she will take Maxim because it's faster. And Maxim driver and also her relatives have also. If he in home, he can help to her. Thunderbird, I don't know, in the roof guy, what he doing. So many wires, take a look. Maybe aircon fix, I don't know. Maybe not. We'll have fruits. Banana. What have? Apple. Apple is from China. Onion, mango. Okay, we will go to the La Grande Residence now. Electric. Oh, it's big electric. It's not bikes. I don't know how to say. It's not. I not move camera to girls. I understand, of course. And this one is repair car. Always when I walk, so many garbage outside. Maybe I will check now because not easy to. They maybe removed. Take a look. We already broke roof. Don't have maybe. Take a look. Broken house. Broken house. Hello. And children play in the old cars. Toyota Celica, I remember this is Celica, very 19 maybe 82 years manufacturer, old. This is, I don't know, it's not, it's a Korean car. Korean car. No, it still work. Another house broken, take a look, another. Yes, we fix car. How we park, interesting. Millimeters, Even don't have millimeters already. I have also service like this, only bigger. 2 floors and repair engine, transmission, everything. Paint also. It's good business. I think everywhere I have good business repair car service center. Motorcycle noisy, cannot talk good, but this is camera. This camera is a DJI Pocket 2 I use right now. DJI Pocket 3 I will use later when already have dark. Maybe later I will go to SM City Clark. I try to go to SM City Clark. Empty. Oh, not empty. Of course not empty. Don't have parking space. Even pay parking full. This is already La Grande residence. People do barbecue. Massage, promo. 400, 3 foot massage. Okay. This is also apartment. Sometimes so noisy from these apartments. It says Philippine people live in this apartment. I think cheaper. Laundry. This is tricycle driver park. Wraps. I filming already wraps. Good. Also many decoration. Prepare for Christmas, but inside don't have people. Yeah, it's wraps. It's good. My friend always who live in the La Grande residence, they always take breakfast. Take breakfast in the wrap. I will go to upstairs and the rooftop. I want to take video a little bit. Prepare for Christmas. Good decoration. La Grande residence. Okay, room rates I will check. Same or not? Room rates. Okay, you can post and you can see. The same room rate is the same, not change. Okay, thank you. Okay. Where is Infinity 15? 15 it's Infinity. 11 Infinity Pool. Okay, now you know also. Oh, 15 already. Sky Lounge. Penthouse. Right, Infinity left. Take a look. Yes, a swimming pool. Swimming pool. You can see Arayat. This is Arayat. And also Magalang City. From this is left side is part. It's Magalang City. Here is right side. It's Arayat City. It's not city, of course, like town, small town. It's part of Pampanga. Take a look. This is window can open. This part window is open. Can open. Interesting. Usually it's not they do it not for open. Okay, we can take a look. Take a look. How now sunset already. Sunset. It's a good evening. I take video. It's okay? Thank you. Take a look how sunset right now. This it is for take shower. Okay, a little bit walk. It's not wet. Swimming pool. Good view from the roof. And another side also. Sky Lounge. Okay, Sky Lounge. I will go upstairs. Oh, good view here. You can sit inside. Shira not with me. Shira busy with your family. And this one is pool party sometimes here. It's billiard play. And you can see in this where I have solar panels. Yes, this Georgi sometimes play here. Sky Lounge. Tennis court also. It's close. Maybe don't have people now. That's why close. Good afternoon. From another side I will show to you view from another side. Who always watch our channel, you already know we sometimes sit here in this Sky Lounge. Oh, also another side. You can see this is McDonald's. Mercedes-Benz, McDonald's. Shira before worked in this McDonald's. And already SM City Clark. It's next building far. Skyway also. I walked from this road. Take a look this. And there is bars. This bar is, and I park my car near Boomerang Hotel. I don't know where is. Ah, there. This is Boomerang Hotel. You can see this Boomerang Hotel. Good restaurant Sunday, but today not so many people because you know, in Angeles, very few people right now. Maybe after New Year, maybe. I don't know. Yes, empty. For Sunday, really, it's. I'm shocked, really. What is La Grande Resident dining here. Many of my friends stayed here. Okay, we can take elevator now. This one, elevator. Here we have also a swimming pool. Yeah, swimming pool. You can check. Yeah, swimming pool and restaurant also. It's good, comfortable. Thank you very much. Guys, I will go to the SM City Clark. I try to find parking in the SM. I will come back. I will wait to the same road, same direction to take my car. I think it's not interesting if you see again the same road. That's why thank you for watching and see you in another video. Oh, someone put some water. Yeah, someone put water from the